Welcome to the Isentia Mediaportal video series. This video will guide you through how to use your analytics dashboard. With Mediaportal Analytics, you can create visually engaging charts to measure the success of your media coverage and your media releases. To view your dashboard, just click on Charts under the Analytics module from the navigation sidebar. If this is your first visit, the Charts area might be empty. You'll see a message that encourages you to select a chart to start populating your dashboard. If you already have a few charts in your dashboard, you can add another by selecting Add a Chart in the top right corner of the Charts area. First, you'll need to select the data for your chart to analyze. Your chart will analyze the media items in the briefs or folders that you select. Make sure you tick Include ASR if you'd like this chart to include information about advertising space rates. Click Next to customize the way your chart appears. Use the drop-down menu to choose from 14 different chart types. You'll see a preview whenever you select a new chart type from the drop-down menu. You can also choose which metrics you want to reflect on your chart. When you're all set, click on Add to Dashboard. Keep following this process to populate your charts area. You can store up to 10 different charts in your dashboard. Now that you've added a chart to your dashboard, there are more options to customize both your charts and the dashboard area. Use the date picker at the top of the dashboard to adjust the date range your charts are analyzing. When you change the date range, your charts will automatically update. Click on the Edit Layout button to rearrange the order of your charts. The Move icon will then appear for every chart. Click and hold the Move icon to drag your chart towards your desired position. When you're finished, just click on Save Layout. Clicking on the tool icon found on the top right corner of each chart gives you more options, like renaming your chart or saving it as an image. The Explore and Report function will lead you to another page where you can review more information about the chart or create a chart report. See the whole picture with Mediaportal.